Good evening, this is Eric Kolodny with the Epiphany Trading Markets Wrap-Up for Friday, April 8th. Dow today finished down 29.5 points, closing at 12,380. NASDAQ was down about 16, closing at 2780. Volume remained relatively light today. Somewhat quiet, somewhat's actually an understated word. It was very, very quiet for much of the day today. Till, 1:30, 2 o'clock, the rail game began getting a bit out of hand, if you want to call it that. It's over 112 now, and stocks began selling off. The Dow was down about 90 points or so. And late in the day, there was just more short covering as everyone's using a buy-the-dip strategy. It is getting quite nerve-wracking, though, that oil is getting this high. It's traditionally not a good thing for the market. And silver over 40, gold's a lot higher. It's just, it probably doesn't mean much in the absolute immediate term, considering stocks are so relatively strong, but it is certainly something to keep in the back of everyone's mind. So for Monday, barring anything significant in commodities, probably just more of the same, more choppiness. It's a heavier economic calendar than this week. Earnings season is going to start. There's going to be a few that are going to trickle out next week. So with Alcoa kicking the unofficial start off on Monday, but overall it should still be a light week, and don't look for a ton of action on Monday, again, barring anything extraordinary over the weekend. A few things to look at. On the positive side, GMLP closed near a high on the day of its IPO. VRX and Baidu both closed near their highs. On the negative side, PUDA continued its recent free fall amid a negative report about the company in a newsletter regarding potential improper share transactions by PUDA's chairman. MON closed near a low in a continued decline following recent poor earnings. EZPW, QIHU, and MA all closed on or near their lows. Not a huge list on the news flow traditionally on Friday, as this one is not all that heavy, and with stocks closed kind of sort of in the middle of the ranges today, so not a lot closed near their high or their lows. Earnings calendar, SHAW was out before the bell on Monday, and after hours, the aforementioned Alcoa AA. That I wish all of you a good night, and go trading on Monday.